A U.S. federal judge in Minnesota has issued a preliminary injunction barring immigration and customs enforcement and other federal agents from using aggressive tactics against peaceful protesters and observers. The order, issued by Judge Catherine Mendez, comes amid weeks of mounting tensions after a fatal shooting involving an ICE officer and widespread demonstrations against the federal immigration crackdown known as Operation Metro Surge. Under the injunction, federal agents are prohibited from retaliating against peaceful protest activity. The ruling bars them from arresting or detaining individuals who are not suspected of a crime, deploying pepper spray or tear gas, and stopping vehicles or bystanders simply for observing or photographing enforcement operations, unless there is reasonable suspicion of criminal interference. The judge's decision specifically protects people engaging in lawful, peaceful protest activity, including those observing the ongoing federal presence, underscoring a core constitutional concern, the right to free expression and assembly. This legal intervention follows weeks of public outcry after federal agents deployed in large numbers across the Minneapolis area. The surge, described by the Department of Homeland Security as one of the largest such operations in U.S. history, has drawn criticism from community leaders and civil rights groups who say the tactics used against demonstrators have been excessive. State and local officials have pushed back against the federal response. Minnesota's governor and the mayor of Minneapolis have expressed deep concern over the aggressive tactics and are now involved in a broader legal and political battle with the federal government. The injunction represents a major legal victory for activists and civil liberties advocates who argue that federal enforcement actions have overstepped constitutional limits. The American Civil Liberties Union and local plaintiffs brought the lawsuit, alleging that agents' conduct had a chilling effect on protected First Amendment rights. The Trump administration has defended the operation as a lawful effort to enforce immigration laws, but has faced growing scrutiny as protests and legal challenges mount. With federal enforcement now under new constraints, Minneapolis remains a flashpoint in the national debate over immigration policy, state authority, and the limits of federal power.